Oh yeah, look at there. Oh boy, that's a good one right there. Folks, welcome back to Autumn Woods Fishing and Outdoors. Right here today we're going to try and do a little brim fishing. We've got a new bait we're going to try. It's called wax worms, and we're going to try the traditional crickets. So stay tuned with us and let's see if we can get something. We ask that you've liked the video, subscribe to the channel, and give us a thumbs up if you like it, and I hope you do. And let's see if we can catch a few fish. Alright, we got one on. Feels like it's a decent fish. Got this one on a cricket. Oh yeah, look at there. Oh boy, that's a good one right there. Good old shell cracker. That's a good way to start off. That's real nice. That fish just hardly did bite. Let's get them on the ice. Good way to start off. Get everything set up here. Alright, got another one on. A little smaller, but still he's a keeper. Alright, good deal. This has got a good spillway so the water don't get that high here. It's just a lot of fresh water coming through. Of course, we've caught some fish. They are biting. They're just biting slow, I guess. I think we could do better if it wasn't so windy. But we can't do nothing about the wind. So we'll just keep doing the best we can. What we're doing today, we're fishing with wax worms and crickets, and we're just pitching them along the edge and along the weeds here, along this bank area. So far we've got 2 on the crickets and 1 on the wax worms. So I guess they'll bite both. I got cricket on right now. There's one. Ah. Okay. Alright. We got a shiner. Alright, let's put him in the box. Good catfish bait right there, folks. Okay. It's fun to catch. That spoon. Alright, we got one on. Hopper. Come on, boy. I thought this would be a pretty good edge. Alright. Getting it? Yeah. Alright. Alright. Got one on. Oh no, he got off right there. That was a good one too. Back. Alright, there's a good one. Where that fella come from? He must have come out them bushes. Good deal there. Alright, got another one on. Alright, look at there. Good little female. Oh, Alright, we got another one on. Feels pretty good. Oh, yes, sir. Nice. This serves to go and get to a place where you can get out of the wind. You can start getting some bites and catching them. Well, that one got off. Here we got a little visitor swimming across. You can see him. It's a good sized alligator. He's just minding his own business. As long as he keeps going that way, that's good for me. Alright folks, we got trying with a spinner a little bit. And we got a nice yellow perch. Alright, mister. Wow. Let's get him in the boat. Well, that's a surprise. That's a good surprise. Oh, there's one. Oh, there we got a nice brim on the beetle spin. Let's put him in the box. Sometimes, folks, a beetle spin is hard to beat. Everything likes a beetle spin. Oh, there's one. Oh, this one might have a little weight to it. Look there, boys, we got another perch. This one's a little bit bigger. Oh, hold on now, mister. Now these perch, one thing about them, they will stick you. They have stickers on their gill plates, so always look out for that if you ever catch them. There's another little perch. It's hooked up pretty good. Nice, good eating fish. They like them beetle spins. Let's see if we can catch some more. I'd have never knew there was perch in this lake here. We'll just keep on easing along. We got another brim, nice little brim. Okay. Here's another good one here, boys. Nice fish. That's what we like. Catch them all day. Well folks, I'm gonna tell y'all something. Every now and then it's fun to use an artificial bait. I love to use live baits, but sometimes it's just so fun to feel that strike on a beetle spin or artificial lure. So we did real good today with the wax worms and the crickets, and then we put on the beetle spin and we started catching yellow perch, and we caught some bigger brim and bigger shell cracker than what we were catching with the crickets and wax worms. So it always helps to try new things, try different things. I really enjoyed my fishing time today. I was really surprised that there's yellow perch out here in this area that I'm fishing today in South Carolina. The weather was good. It was a little windy. Well, it was a lot windy to start with, but it's calmed down now. I just want to thank y'all for coming with me today and sharing my joy that the Lord has given us to be able to catch these fish and having the opportunity to get out here and enjoy nature. I want to tell you, God bless you. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Pass it on to your friends. If you got friends that like to fish, you know, pass it on to them and maybe they'll learn some techniques or learn something. Give us a comment if there's something that you'd like to see me do or change, or if there's some other kind of fishing you'd like to see. Put something down there in the comments. Share the video with your friends. God bless you, and remember, you'll never catch one unless you get out there and go. So you got to get out there and go. And God bless you, and we'll see you on the next one.